Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Marie-Josée Blanc.
Okay. This is for the 40-year research, right?
Yes,
Where are we at?
same place.
Wow.
Please, me papier, you want papier.
There are the papers. They gave me the papers.
Have you seen what she's talking about?
No. She still didn't. We at the last hearing we told her to submit the report that was provided to her. She haven't done so as yet.
But the gentleman brought me the papers.
You have to submit the papers to the city.
Oh.
I didn't know. I thought I had to come here with them.
Well, Mr. Beswick told you last time you have to submit them. You have to submit them and you have to pay the fee. Do you know how much the fee is?
No.
Mr. Beswick, can you educate her?
The fee $707
Why?
cause it's late.
Go to Babiola, to buy Babiola.
I have all the papers. They're here.
All right, but you got to give them to the appropriate department and pay the fee.
Qui département pour y aller là?
What department did I
Building
take
department.
'em to?
Building.
The building department. Construction.
Vous savez mal là, mal avec papier.
I have to go with the papers and pay them?
Yes, $707.
$707.
I'm buying company, no?
I don't have any money now.
What time? Give me the time. Give me the date. 1 month ago, no.
Give me a month or I don't know.
No business.
No
yeah.
business.
That's why I'm selling what place. No business.
Madame Bako went told you.
That's
That's why I sold the place. There's no business.
All right. You lucky I have such respect for my elders. So October 17th.
17 octobre.
You're clear now about what you have to do, right?
Mais so ki madame pari. Pou kon sa ou gen pou fè pou ni ava. Ou kompren sa ou gen pou fè. I don't understand.
Ah, see. I'm gonna leave you to Mr. Beswick.
Ma kite Mr. Beswick pa
Mr.
la
Beswick is gonna completely inform you
Mr. Beswick pa la
of what you have to do.
Sa ke pou fè explico la.
He's one of our best.
Se yon nan meyè yo.
No.
He's not the best.
Got to be nice to Mr. Beswick. He's got to help you out.
You go to my go to Lee.
See, she's still hating on you, Beswick. Uh-oh.
Why would you just share it? Because you human. Why would you this one?
Why do I leave it on?
Yeah.
Because I'm a man, baby. Call your next case.
Item number 95, Officer Beswick, customer My Lady Corp. Case number MSVI 2018-00705.
The morning hearings are the best hearings. Although I love my colleague, for the record. All right, go ahead and make your appearance, please.
Diga su nombre.
Mi nombre es Luz Rosario.
Luz Rosario.
And what's your position with My Lady Corp?
¿Qué es su posición con Millennium Corp?
Ok, ella pues nos arrendó la propiedad a nosotros, pero no somos dueños de la tierra, sino del negocio.
She rents us the property, but we are not the owners.
You rent the property.
Ustedes alquilan?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay. Did you make the property owner aware of the violation?
¿Le ha informado al dueño de la propiedad de la violación?
No,
No.
Why not?
¿Por qué no?
porque nosotros somos los responsables de esto.
Because we are responsible for this.
Did you fix it?
I'm sorry again?
Did you fix it?
No pienso que debía haberlo hecho.
Ok, el problema es nosotros estamos poniendo un tanque de gas propano. Nosotros hemos hecho todo. Tenemos,
Well, what happens is we're installing a propane tank, and we did everything.
entonces estamos esperando que le aprueben el permiso
And we are waiting for the permit to be approved
para la persona que nos van a vender el gas propano.
For the person who is going to sell us the propane gas,
que viene siendo
Mr.
Suburban
Beswick.
Gas.
and which is suburban gas.
Mr. Beswick, on the property records, does it have an alternate address for?
Esto es-
Mailing?
esta
Well, the property owner was mailed, the notice went to the property owner.
Okay, great. That's what I wanted to
Yes.
know. Okay. All right. So property owner knew, does know about it. We got the car back. Do we know?
No, I don't see the card.
You gotta go look it up. Did you look it up?
No.
All right. If that's the way we're gonna do it, then you have to have confirmation that it was delivered, that was received, the
Okay.
delivery.
Le está diciendo
All right.
que tiene que tener algún tipo de confirmación.
Otherwise, they're not. We don't have proper notice. All right. So that gives you a little bit more time.
Bueno, le voy a dar más tiempo, le dice él.
Technically, yes, but we have the property on. We have the tenants telling us that they didn't,
Técnicamente
that they
tiene
took
que
it off and
decírselo
didn't
al
tell the
dueño de la
property
propiedad.
owner, and then, no, they took the notice off the property and didn't tell the property owner that there was a that they received the violation, and the notice that we actually sent to directly to the property owner. We don't have confirmation of receipt.
Entonces, por lo tanto, no tenemos una confirmación.
Yes, technically, you are correct. But factually, there's been no actual notice to the property owner.
En realidad, la notificación tiene que ser
Okay.
hecha al dueño de la propiedad.
So I understand what the law requires of us and what's considered proper notice under the law. However, I have facts before me that suggest that the property owner has not actually received notice of the violation itself. So I'm not going to fine them at this time, but I will have it come back,
Por este momento,
on
por el momento,
October
no voy a dar
17th.
ningún fallo, pero voy a hacer que regrese.
and you are instructed, ma'am,
Y a usted se le instruye,
to
señor,
notify
que
the
usted
property owner
notifique al dueño
that they
de
have
la
received
propiedad
a violation.
que es acerca de la violación.
You may be in the midst of correcting the violation, but if for any reason
Si por alguna
on
razón
October 17th that violation has not yet been
octubre
corrected,
17, si esa violación
then I
no
intend to fine them $300 per
entonces
day
voy a dar una
until
multa
it's
de
fixed.
$300 por día. Ok,
Pero ¿cuál es la violación? Porque el tanque no está en servicio, no está conectado, no tiene gas, nadie,
momentito.
no
So-
sé cuál es la violación.
So what is the violation? The tank is not connected, there is no service, so
That
I
there's
don't
no
and
permit.
no hay permiso, esa es la violación. I understand.
Okay. That's what we need. Thank you.
Gracias.
Ok, gracias.
Item number 96, Officer Beswick, customer Northeast 121 Street LLC. Case number FYBRR 2017-00107.
Good morning. Go ahead and make your appearance for the record.
Dominique Dumont,
And what's your relationship to Northeast 121st Street LLC?
part owner.
Okay. This was previously cited for 40-year certification, recertification. Where are we at?
I would like to ask for an extension because of we didn't have the budget, but we're going to get a loan so we could start working on.
Did you get the
property.
report?
Yes, he submitted a report, but there's a long list of repairs.
How long? Real.
Some major-
By that look on his face, it's really long. He wants more time. What's your recommendation, Mr. Beswick?
We could not start because of the budget. That's the only reason. But
Well, you can ask. I'll go whatever time you need.
for now, I think
Mr. Beswick now being shy these
Yes.
days.
90 days for now, and we're going to try to see if we could take care of everything.
All right, December 19th.
Thank you.
But there'll be no further. There'll be no further extensions.
I'll try my best. Okay, I'm going to try my best. Thank you.
Try really good. Try
Yes, yes,
really,
no problem.
really hard.
Thank you.
All right.
Item number 97, Officer Desaline, customer Nomi Condominium. Case number MHVI 2018-0052.
The city didn't trademark that?
Good morning.
They sent it out to the trademark attorney. I haven't got.
Like, it's gonna be, so, yeah. It's gonna be so many uses in the community already. It was a good one too. So, where are we at with the elevator?
The elevator is working. However, it has not passed the county inspection yet. We need to put a self-locking door. We need to put a special door that locks. And the lights need to be covered with a special cover. But the elevator is working. Still needs a little touch-up, but we're working on it.
Unfortunately, the part of the violation requires it to be certified.
Yes, that's why we haven't passed the county inspector. And
How long do you think it's gonna be?
I think my last 30 days, I beg you. This elevator has taken the best of everybody. It's amazing.
All
But
right.
it's out of our hands. It's now due to the county.
Just so
to-
folks understand that when I say last, she notes it on my thing that it's the last
Yes,
one.
yes, I understand, Your Honor.
So October 17th, last one.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Item number 98, Officer Beswick, customer North Miami Retail, LLC. Case number MHVI 2017-00962.
Yeah. Cause then I'll forget, and I'd be all nice and stuff.
Good morning,
Good morning.
John Suarez.
And what's your position with North Miami?
I'm with the contractor,
All right.
and we have I think finally figured out the right plan. They were submitted last week. They're under review right now. We had to do. I finally got the revised blueprints from the architect after meeting with the building department a couple of times. Got them last week, submitted, and had to redo all the contractor paperwork because it had already
Expired. You had to do a new
and-
notice of commencement?
I'm sorry?
You did a renotice of commencement?
I have to do it.
Right.
And right now we're in the process of, we got an email this morning. We're in the process of getting all the subs, like updated as well. The plumber and the electrical contractor as well. And basically that's where we're at right now. But the blueprints didn't have any revisions so far.
How much longer are we
It
talking?
should be a week or two at the most,
Alright.
where we get the permit approved and everything.
October 17th, last one.
Okay, thank you.
Item number 100, Officer Gary Beswick, customer Peter Neubauer. Case number MHVI 2017-00678.
Good morning. My name is Paul Velez. I'm the CEO of Borinquen Medical Centers, and I also have. I'm sorry. We're the tenant on behalf of the landlord. I'm here to appear once again, and I also have.
I'm Carlos Santero with GCA Inc. I'm the president of GCA. We're the general contractor for Borinquen, so I just wanted to speak to kind of tell you the progress we've made and what the status of the project is.
Okay.
We became involved in the project in June, and I know that this goes back a little further, but we became involved in June.
Last year, June.
Pardon me?
Goes back to last year, June.
Last year, June.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought it was even February of this year, which is a lot. But anyway, so we became involved in June of this year, the beginning of June of this year. We reviewed the situation, and actually we retained a new architect and new engineers. Okay, we're working along with, this is a dental clinic. We're working with Henry Schein, which is a dental supplying company supplying all the equipment, which had initially provided the drawings to the city. So we're working with them. We've already processed for permit. The drawings were prepared. We processed for permit. We received the comments back from the municipalities and from Durham and from Fire and from Miami-Dade County, every department. It's a little complicated because it is a dental clinic, and there wasn't a dental clinic there before. Apparently, it was a school there before. So there's a lot of things that they're requesting. They even said ask the professional to meet with Durham was on the notes and so forth to address certain issues. We've had an asbestos report done that hadn't been done before. We had to submit to Durham. They found a minimal amount of asbestos, but it was in the mastic of the VCT. We've already even signed a contract for the mitigation of that. We are working with Berinquin. We weren't involved in this project initially, but we have completed 6 clinics for Berinquin. We were advised of the situation they were in here, which was a very unfortunate situation as it arose. We're actually doing this project for them for cost. We're not charging them any fees on this project.
They thought they was going to do this one without you.
So yes. And so we're not doing that. And it's to our benefit, just since we are doing this for a cost, to get this done as quickly as possible and not have it linger around. So we are working diligently.
And for me not to assess $250 per day.
Pardon me?
And for me not to assess $250.
Right. So we are working diligently. It's not a quick process, especially with a dental clinic. I mean, there's nitrous gas, there's waste lines. It's a complicated. So the comments keep coming back. It's not just a one-time through, unfortunately. It is. So whatever you can do, they are a non-for-profit. We're working with them as best we can to help them out of the situation, and I hope you will too, and you understand. It's not. I have attended, with them since we came involved the last 2 hearings, and we gave them 30 days. I was always concerned there wasn't enough time because it is a complicated project. So even at this time, if you say you give them another 30 days, I'm still concerned. I mean, it's possible, and we're working towards that, but it is a complicated project. But
how many square feet are we talking about?
Oh, it's about 3,500 square feet. It's small as far as that goes, but there's I think it's 8 dental chairs, 8 sets of waste lines. It's a complicated project for a little space, and the square footage in this case is not the factor.
I'm interested. What waste does the dental clinic has? Because you don't deal in amalgam anymore, right?
But it's the waste that that it has to go through a system,
right.
When it goes through, and so
the whole spittles thing and all of that stuff.
Yes. So it's a little bit more complicated. It's not just a typical interior build out. So I just hope that you'll work with them and allow them a little bit more time. We are working diligently, believe me, to get this done for them.
What's your request?
60 days would be great. That way we hope we won't come back here.
I'm gonna give you 90.
Okay.
I agree.
Last one.
All right. I appreciate it. Okay.
All right.
We won't be back.
All right.
All right. Okay. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
You're lucky I used to be a dental assistant. All right.
Item number 105, Officer Vanessa. Case customer Roy 2015 LLC. Case number MHVA 02017-01175.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I need to speak with
Go ahead and state your name and your relationship to the company.
This is Silvia Folgar and represento al dueño.
I'm Silvia Folgar. I represent the owner.
Okay. Do you have a position with ROI 2015 LLC?
¿Usted tiene una posición con esta compañía? ¿En la compañía?
Soy agente representativo.
I am a representative agent.
In Zambis is the...
Your name is there?
She's a registered agent.
In Zambis.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I mean, technically, whatever. I know too much stuff. We previously assessed this, or we found the property to be guilty of the violation that was issued to it. You were supposed to fix it by a certain time. So where are we at with the...
Hemos sacado los permisos, have a permit.
We have obtained the permits.
Y ahora estamos trabajando y queríamos pedir por favor si podíamos extender el tiempo de trabajo 20 días más.
And we are working